everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing day. This is going to be a tutorial on how to get fresh out of the beach looking curls. This is my first video, so I'm still learning, but I promise they will get better over time. So I washed my hair last night and I put in Olaplaex number 6, which is a bonding smoother. I then put my hair in a loose braid and let it dry overnight. I usually do this so that I can use as little heat as possible on my hair. Now, because my hair is freshly washed, I do need to add some grit and texture, so I went ahead and sprayed in some lightweight finishing spray by Beachy Haircare. If you don't have a lightweight hairspray, then what I would suggest is any kind of volumizing spray or even a dry shampoo works amazing. You're then going to take a 1 to 2 inch curling iron. I'm using a 1 inch here because I want more of a beachy curl, but the bigger curling iron you use, the more of a beach wave you'll get. Now section out all your hair, split it in two, and bring it to the front. You are now going to take medium-sized chunks of hair. You don't have to be too precise here, as different looking curls is what's going to make it look the most natural. However, I usually do like to take smaller pieces right around my face. So when you're doing this curl, you do want to start up higher, but also not on your root because you do want it to look undone. Now you're going to want to get into a twist, pull motion. And what I mean by that is you're going to want to twist your hair around the iron a couple of times, leave it for a few seconds only, and then you're going to pull down, twist it again, pull down until you only have a few inches left at the end. Now that you have a few inches left at the end of your curling iron, you are not going to twist. You're going to pull your curling iron down almost as if you were straightening it. This is just to smooth out the ends. In this tutorial, I did continuously curl my hair away from my face. However, if you do want an even more beachy and undone look, what I would suggest doing is only curl your hair that frames your face away from your face. The rest of your hair, try alternating which way you curl it. Keep doing this throughout your whole head, and I'll talk to you when we get to the face framing. Time for the face framing. For these sections, I like to use thinner strands than I did around the rest of my head. I also like to leave out a little bit more of the ends than I had been doing previously. I also start these curls pretty close up to my root. Now that you're done with your curls, Do not brush your hair with a brush. Flip your head over and give it a good shake. Any curls left that need a little further breaking apart, just use your fingertips to brush them out. You're now going to grab your curling iron and you're going to re-curl tiny sections off the top layer of your hair. However, this time you're going to curl it like if you were using a wand. That's because if you barrel curl it, most likely the tiny ends will slip through the curling iron and give you too curly of effect. You can stop here, but if you like a little bit more texture and added volume, I like to backcomb just a little bit. To do this, all that you need to do is grab a section of hair, hold the very ends, and brush up a couple of times. Do this randomly wherever you want a little more oomph. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you learned a thing or two. I had a lot of fun making this, so any more tutorials you would like to see, please comment down below. If you liked this, also please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I know it's a tough time right now, but let's use this extra time that we have on our hands to really take care of ourselves. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.